Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can enable chat in Among Us. Now Among Us has chat and it's going to be enabled by default. You don't need to do anything. But you guys can switch between free chat and quick chat. Now free chat means you can chat with anybody for however long you want. Quick chat means there's going to be a certain time limit and you can only chat within those certain time limit. I'm going to show you how you guys can choose that, alright? Because your chat is going to be enabled by default. You don't have to do anything. To choose the chat, whether it's free or quick, click on play, click on online. Now if you want to create a game, you can click on create game. If you want to find a public game, you click on find game. So I'm going to show you how you guys can enable quick chat when you're about to create a game. So I will click on create game. Over here where it says free chat. So right now if I create a game, my game will have free chat. But if I click on this and it says quick chat, now if I click and confirm, a game will be created with quick chat, alright? So you can switch between these two to check which option you like. And if you want to find a game, you can click on find game. Over here you can choose what type of chat you want, whether it's quick chat or free chat. Let's say I like to find game with quick chat. I can click on quick, then I can click on this button. Then it's going to show me all the game which has quick chat enabled. I can join any one of this and play the game with quick chat enabled. So that is how you guys can enable chat in Among Us. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.